Good morning. Are you Thelma Gilbert? Answer out loud, please. And this is cause numbers 26 DCCR 0502, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, and 08. Ms. Gilbert is charged with credit or debit card abuse in 4 of those cases, burglary of a habitation in a case, fraudulent use or possession of identifying information, as well as theft of property. And what is the announcement?
Judge, we've gotten a offer that will probably resolve this matter. It's going to involve a lengthy prison sentence. Our issue right now is day before yesterday, Miss Gilbert's daughter and her father were involved in an auto accident, and they're being hospitalized in Dallas. So we're trying to find out, the status of exactly what's going on with them. So she'll know basically the stability of a daughter before we do the agreement. So I'm just asking for a short setting so we can get that resolved so we can move this case along, Judge.
I told Mr. Lewis I would hold that offer open if we got a reset for that reason at any time.
All right, I'll reset it one time for that.
Thank you, Judge.
You can go back with the bailiff. Thank you. Fan, Mr. Lewis?
Hold on that one.
Sure. Thank you. We'll hold that.
Hold on.
Justin Thomas, Mr. Lewis. Competency.
Yes,
He's competent now.
yeah, just that.
Okay, so you'll just need some time.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me make this finding of competency and then
And I need to look into this some kind of while he was in the hospital there. I think he got a PR bond on one of the cases. I'm just trying to make the check, see where that even came from. He gave me the paper system.
Kelly, can you make a note to look into that? Yeah, please. All right, sir, you Justin Thomas? And I'm going to take judicial notice of the court's files and cause numbers 25 DCCR 0308 and 25 DCCR 1874. Mr. Thomas was previously found not competent to stand trial, was sent to the John Dunn Behavioral Science Center for Competency Restoration. I've received that report dated June 16th of 2026. It includes the trial competency evaluation report, which is prepared by Dr. Guzman. The findings in that report is that he is currently competent, has achieved competency while he was there. Also in that packet is the attending physician's report to the court, and that is dated June 15th of 2026, prepared by Dr. Liberis, again with the finding that Mr. Thomas has achieved competency and is currently competent to stand trial. Is there anything else with regard to competency?
Oh, ma'am.
Then at this time, I am going to find that Mr. Thomas is competent to stand trial. My understanding is he just got back here from John Dunn, and so I'm going to do a normal reset. That'll give you some time to visit with Mr. Thomas about any options he has on his case. All right, so Mr. Thomas, Mr. Lewis will be out to see you very soon to go over everything with you, okay? All right, we can go back with the bailiff.
Thank you.
And then you've got Jason Weinberg. It's the sentencing.
That's right. Weinberg. Weinberg. Smart.
Good morning, you're Jason Weinberg?
Yes.
And Mr. Weinberg was previously here and entered a plea of guilty in cause number 25 DCCR 1479 to the state jail felony offense of engaging in organized criminal activity. I've received that pre-sentence report. Have you both had an opportunity to review the report?
Yes, Your Honor, we have.
Any additions or corrections?
No, Judge.
Not from the state, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Weinberg, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney and defer all proceedings. You'll be placed on probation for 5 years. You're ordered to pay a $1,000 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation.
Yes.
If you do that, this is a great opportunity. You're very young, you don't have a felony conviction on your record, and if you successfully complete this probation, you'll never have a felony conviction. At the end, the case gets dismissed. It's a
Yes.
great opportunity. The other side of that, though, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be back here in court, found guilty, so you become a convicted felon, and you could go to the state jail prison for up to 2 years. Understand? All right, I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, so you waived your right to appeal. Probation will talk to you probably before you leave. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks.
I'm sorry. Mm-mm. No, that was, we'll see. Since it's a state jail, she said no ISF for
Oh.
him. I said, no, we'll hopefully not need that. Not today. So, that DeMarcus Edelman is gonna be Brittany handling that? Yes. And that's for a bond? Yes. Okay. Hi, good morning.
I'm county, so Tom, I will cook it on. I'm just gonna take on the back. That will have to do.
It is on Dalton Beach. Okay,
And congratulations.
I know, thank you.
Okay, y'all have a great day.
Thank you too. Let's see. I know, usually he at least stops by. Ms. Holmes, are you ready on Daniel Eli?
You may be a pro on. Autumn's supposed to plea on, Autumn is his misdemeanor.
Oh,
He's
okay,
supposed to plea on the misdemeanor so that will dispose of the felony.
okay,
Can't find Autumn.
okay. Well, I'll hold it.
Okay.
Is he supposed to do it today?
Yeah.
Yes, they've always been set together.
Yeah,
It's been a,
Yeah.
trying to get it, all of the parties here.
okay,
And if
I'll hold it and
push comes to shove, Judge, I can do that today, well, if you allow me to put on the record that if that does not.
that's, well, and that's fine if we need, I mean, I can just reset it a week and then get them down there this week, but
Yeah,
maybe,
it just keeps going back and forth. I think,
yeah.
Unless they let me, them, so if it's
in.
Autumn's, can't, if they let it step in, if they rest in.
See if you can get, y'all have already tried to call Audwin this morning.
I have not.
See if y'all can get him on the phone, and if he's around, great. If not, see if he'll give you permission to do that.
Okay.
I'll hold it for now, though.
Oh,
And then you've got Janaea Fine.
yes, sir.
Good morning. Are you Edward Godfrey III?
No.
And Mr. Godfrey was previously here in cause number 26 DCCR 0383. Entered a plea of guilty to assault family violence by impeding breath or circulation. I received the pre-sentence report. Have you both had an opportunity to review that report?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I'm sorry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are there any additions or corrections?
None of them are, Judge. Not from the state.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney and defer all proceedings and place you on probation for 6 years. You're ordered to pay the $500 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. This is such an excellent opportunity for you. You're very young. You do not want a felony conviction on your record. It'll change your life in a very negative way, in lots of ways. You can't go to obviously certain jobs, schools, apartments, there, it just all kinds of things. And so part of your probation is going to be that you get your GED or finish school, one or the other. So if you're not going to go back to school, then you have to start that GED process within 30 days of today. That's not just for me, that's for you. That'll make it also everything in your life easier, getting better jobs and things like that. It's very important. It should be important to you. So I want you to get that done. You're going to go through some classes. You're going to do everything you're supposed to. Then at the end of your probation period, if you're successful, the case is actually dismissed. You never have a felony conviction. The other side of that, though, is if you do violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court, found guilty, so you would be a convicted felon and you could go to prison for up to 10 years. Do you understand? You understand? And also, it is a condition of your probation that you have absolutely no contact, communication in any way with Ramsey Howard. Do you understand? Okay. All right. I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed. And so you've waived.
In this courtroom, the stakes were incredibly high. A young defendant stood on the edge of a life-changing outcome, prison or a second chance. Instead of immediately handing down a harsh sentence, the judge chose a different path. But this wasn't leniency without consequences. It was a clear warning: follow the rules or face serious punishment. Moments like this show how the justice system can balance accountability with opportunity. For some, it's the wake-up call they need to turn their life around. The question is, will this second chance be enough?